In 2025, the fierce-little hatchback known as the 2025 Chevrolet Spark has come to show that tiny vehicles can have huge personalities. The Spark is your new best buddy if you are searching for an affordable vehicle without sacrificing style. Consider it the reliable companion you didn't know you needed. Let's begin with the outside. The Spark isn't timid. Its eye-catching hues and athletic style are like a breath of fresh air. Pothole after pothole, it appears ready to take on the world with its small frame and whimsical curves. Whether you choose a striking red or a timeless blue, you will find yourself beaming each time you glimpse yourself in the mirror. It's a statement rather than simply a car. As soon as you step inside, you will see that Chevrolet has cleverly used available space. Up to 4 people can sit comfortably in the unexpectedly spacious interior. The dashboard is simple to use and intuitive, so you won't need a rocket science degree to understand how it all works. There is plenty room for your coffee, your favorite snacks, and even that stack of receipts you said you did arrange thanks to the several storage sections. Let's discuss tech now. The infotainment system that comes with Spark is simple touchscreen setup. Along with smartphone connection via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you will have access to all necessary music and navigation apps. This implies that you may access your playlist with only a tap, which is ideal for those mornings when you need to turn up the music and embrace your inner rockstar. The Spark has a lively little engine under the hood that makes driving in the city a breeze. Its agility and speed let you effortlessly maneuver through traffic and fit into those infamously small parking spaces. Another noteworthy aspect is how fuel efficient it is, so you can still enjoy the excitement of the trip and save money at the pump. Who says having fun has cost a lot of money? With a number of standard safety measures to keep you and your passengers safe, safety is top concern in the Spark. Chevrolet has included a number of technology to improve your driving experience, including available forward collision alert and rear view cameras. Knowing that there are additional eyes watching out for you gives you the confidence to drive.